Hey, do you want to know how to put yourself out there on the dating apps without burning out? Well, if you do, this video is for you because I have 3 great tips to get you started and to have some longevity in the game without burning out first. All right, let's get started. The first thing that I recommend to all of my clients is to set a timer. Set a 20 to 30 minute timer and open your dating app and start swiping left and right. For those of you who don't know what that is, left is usually no, right is usually yes, but there are different dating apps where you might click a check mark or a thumbs up or something like that, a heart. Just do what that dating app requires for you to say yes or no. Now, don't say no more than yes. This is a very, very big component in getting your dating profile pushed up to the top of the line or to the cream of the crop. So you want to be swiping on many men, meaning you want to say yes to many men. Now hear me out. I know you're cringing at this point because you're screaming, your old patterns are screaming. Well, there are no great men online. All men online just want one thing, blah, blah, blah. I've never seen high quality men online. All of these stories. But this is because you've been doing the same thing over and over. You've never heard of different skills to use on the dating apps. So hear me out. What I want you to do is I want you to swipe quickly and don't waste time reading every single part of every profile. I mean, it's important to read profiles, don't get me wrong, but just use the 30 minutes, swipe yes, swipe no, and see where it goes. Okay, don't overthink it at the level of looking at a dating app and seeing someone's picture and written profile. Do not get stuck there. You want to be that discerning when it comes to real dates, and that comes down the line. So when you're getting on the apps, all you really want to do is get through the weeds. So you want to set your timer for about 30 minutes. You want to respond to all messages that you've gotten in the meantime, in that time, and you want to swipe on about 15 men per day. Now, I know you're screaming by now by all of this advice, and you may or may not do it, but I challenge you to actually take this advice and try it. Why? Because what it's going to do is you're going to increase your visibility on the dating apps, so you are going to get better quality men, and it's also going to get you outside of your comfort zone and get you outside of your pattern. This is where everything you've ever wanted lives, is outside of your old patterns. How do I know that? Because if you knew how to get out of your old negative patterns, you would already have everything you want. And that same thing goes for me, right? I actually broke through my old patterns to attract the love of my life. And I did it this way. Hey, I wanted to pop in here and share with you that I am launching another show. It's an interview show of 21 speakers all about love. It's called The Secrets to Online Dating, Get Your Dream Relationship. And this show is only going to be able to be aired in your inbox. How this works is you sign up with the link below for free. You just give your name, your email address, and we will send you 2 interviews per day with incredible experts, all with practical tips, and each speaker has a gift as well to get you on your way to dating again and to date in such a way that you might have a date by Valentine's Day. Sign up for it now. You will start getting your first interviews in your inbox on January 31st. Don't miss out, and I'll see you there. Bye! I actually broke through my old patterns to attract the love of my life. And I did it this way, by going outside of my instincts, and I'm not saying my intuition, but my instincts to judge men from their dating profile. Instead, I started to push myself outside my comfort zone and be like, you know what? This looks like a decent man. I may not be attracted to him right now. He may be too short. He may be too bald. He may be too, country. He may be too whatever I judged them to be. and I forced myself to communicate with these men. And what I learned was that I found so many men way more interested than I judged them for when I first saw their profile. And I dated men that I never would have dated, which then led me to expand my ability to trust that there are incredible men out there. They're not all for me. In fact, none of them are for me except one, right? And same goes for you. None of these men are for you. So stop dating them or stop looking at them as if every single one has to be the one. But do give each man a chance to show you that there are all kinds of different men out there besides what you have stuck in your head. So expand and allow these amazing men to show the qualities that they have. Because by seeing so many men have amazing qualities, it starts shifting your subconscious mind in believing that you can have all the things in one package that you've always desired, because you're leveling up constantly and you're expanding how many amazing men and what kind of great qualities you're seeing out there. Is this making sense? If you liked this video so far, click the thumbs up button, let me know. And also hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, because I release 2 videos every week and that way you will not miss out. All right. So the third thing that I want you to do when you are on your 30-minute time on the dating apps is to drop a metaphorical scarf. So in the 50s, we might be sitting at a shake shop or a diner in our little poodle skirt, and a very nice gentleman walked by and we would drop our scarf and he would pick it up and we would start up a conversation. So this is what I want you to do on the dating apps. Drop your scarf. How do you do that? You say a very short opening sentence like, "Great to match with you," or "Nice to see you on here." So great to match with you or nice to see you on here. Do not ask questions and don't talk about yourself just yet. You want the man to start leading. This is his opening for him to take the lead. Now, don't expect every single man to bite and to take the lead. Half of them won't. This is why you're swiping on 15 men a day. Half of them won't. Half of those will bite once and not continue communicating. Half of those you won't even like and you'll want to stop chatting with. So what you have left is maybe 2 people that you are ending up chatting with on the apps. Do you see why this is so important to swipe on that many men? Because so many filter themselves out almost right away. All right. I hope you liked this video. There are many more like this to come every Tuesday and every Thursday right here on this channel. So also hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I publish a new video. Bye for now.